Hey there, what's up? You're with me, your host Tavleen from Build Woo Funnels, and I have a bit of a cold, that's why this weird voice. But, well, that shouldn't stop you from hearing this exciting news that we're going to meet Wardee Harmon today. Now, she is the founder of traditionalcookingschool.com. She started this website because her son was diagnosed with eczema and she had to turn to traditional cooking, which is when she actually started posting recipes online and sharing ideas with people. And she soon developed a community which was really fond of her work.
Our son's eczema went away.
Because of this.
Yeah, because of this. And then other things also got better. And so I had a blog and was sharing recipes, and people said, could you tell us more?
Now, Wardee actually, is a very pro user of WooFunnels, so I just couldn't help but bring her on to share some great strategies that she is using in her business.
I didn't know about you guys, so I used a different plugin to do to remove the whole shopping cart functionality, so I could have sales pages that went to order forms, that went to one-click upsells, that went to thank you pages, without confusing people with, oh, what's in my cart and those things. Because we have multiple products, but we don't really sell them that way. We sell them like they're on a sales page for a particular product. They can purchase that product, kind of like a funnel.
That's why you have a lot of one-page checkouts. Like you just click on the sales, and then you're simply on the one-page checkout, which is like a product-specific order.
Yes, exactly. And so your product is far superior to the one that I first used with WooCommerce to create that. But that was the idea that I went into WooCommerce with, which is WooCommerce, and then there's a plugin called Infused Woo that would just make it perfectly seamless with Infusionsoft, and then a one-page checkout order form plugin, which now I use Arrow Checkout, and yours is fabulous. Good. Then we can do the upsells, we can do the bumps on the order form, we can do the upsells, the one-click upsells afterward, and I just couldn't be happier. Well, you guys have a lot of features, and I think the checkout page I use most of the time is your one called Simple. It has a sidebar where you can do testimonials and you can do benefits and proof things. The top, you can put a seal, you can put your title and description, you can have a product image.
That's right.
And then on the right side is like the content. On the form itself, I tried to change some of the like the form sections. You have like billing or shipping address, and I just tried to change some of the headlines to be like verify your billing info instead of enter your credit card. I don't remember what the stock was, but just like more friendly, just language that makes it seem like more welcoming. I just love your tool because you can change the CSS. I did spend a lot of time, like on the very first one that was my template. I spent a lot of time just doing some CSS changes, and then I just templatize it, like I duplicate it. I've been testing lately your one-page order form that's like the Shopify-like checkout, which I don't remember what that is called.
Yes, right.
It's very simple.
Shop checkout, yes, that's right.
And I love that one. And I'm testing it, and it's working really well. I actually have that for our free 30-day trial, and I have it for some new challenges we're running. And I really like how that looks too. So, I don't know, you guys have been very helpful. Our business has increased in the last year by 20%. And it's hard for me to say, like, is that order forms? I do know we don't have issues with ordering anymore like we used to with those custom coded order forms.
That's great.
And just the fact that people can order and whatnot is kind of amazing.
That's right. It can get very anxious if people have issues on the checkout page or around ordering. I think that anxiety just sort of touches the roof. So I think just knowing that things are working, and that's great peace of mind.
Yes, definitely. So it's hard for me to like give you like, I just can tell you our business has increased 20%. So that's a pretty hard and fast number, but people can order, we have thousands of transactions a month, and they're all just pretty good. Our membership has 15 plus courses in it that members can access 24/7 for a low monthly cost. But we also, each one of those courses, we offer a full or a mini version of them that people just can purchase a la carte. And so we offer an order bump on some of those order forms.
Yes.
That they can take a 30-day free trial of our membership. And, if you don't cancel, you will be charged $47 per month after 30 days. And we have a good take rate on that, about 20%.
Wow, that's excellent. That's
yeah, and then we have a good retention rate on that. Within 30 days, 40% of people cancel, but 60% stay on. Then
wow.
By the time 90 days hits, 40% of people are keeping their membership. So, and when I run the numbers on that, there are more new members, which that's our ultimate goal for our business, is to have members in continuity. So there's more new members. There's 2 to 3 times more members gained through offering a free trial and retaining them than just offering it upfront. Like join members pay $47 a month. So it's crucial for us to be able to offer that on our order forms, because that's where we need to get people. So the effectiveness of it is if you can let them see inside and then you deliver. I mean, you have to have the content there, you have to have the support there, you have to have the community there. And it's just very effective. Like I said, we have 2 to 3 times more members.
Yeah, got it.
Because of the free trial than not. So you have to have a good offer, you have to back it up, and it can be very effective to let them in for free. And we do 30 days, and we tested 14. And we have better retention numbers at 30 days, and we have better consumption at 30 days, because our thing is cooking. It's like 14 days is not necessarily enough time. We have mostly like busy moms, and so it's just hard for them to get enough out of it in 14 days.
Yeah.
So you got to really, if you're going to do a free trial, you got to think, what is the amount of time that's appropriate so somebody can engage with you and your community, and you can win them over. They can have huge wins in their life to say, I really, if I can afford this, I really want to keep paying for it.
That's right. Yes, that's great. So